Looking for new friends or someone special? You are probably searching the wrong way. Hello everyone, welcome back to Get Assist, and in the next 2 minutes I'll show you a hidden Telegram feature that can help you find local groups and people with similar interests. So without wasting a minute, let's get started. First, open Telegram and tap the search icon. Here is the mistake most people make. They search random usernames and get nothing useful. Instead, search by what you actually care about, like your city, your college, your hobby. Try new keywords like foodies, photography, club, gaming, or meet new friends. You will find public groups and communities built around those interests. Now open the public groups and channels that match your search. Before joining anything, read the group description first and always check if the community is actually active. Now here is the thing, active groups have recent messages and real conversations happening. A group with zero activity for months is basically dead, so just skip such groups. Now let me save you some time. Joining huge random groups usually is not worth it. There are too many people, too many spam messages, and very little real interaction. Smaller communities built around a specific interest are almost always more useful. And one last tip, respect other people's space. Do not spam strangers. Do not send unwanted messages. The best conversations happen naturally when you participate in the community. And that's the smartest way to use Telegram to discover new communities, connect with like-minded people, and maybe find a date also. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll meet you in the next one. Till then, bye-bye.